I just saw something in my Google Photos and I don't know if I should feel like a loser or if I should feel good about myself. So it all started when I was a kid. I was like 7 or 8 years old when my parents got me an iPad, and I would just record videos. And there was this app known as Musically, and I would just like spend all my hours after school making musicalies and all of that. I saw those videos and I was like, ew, मैं like no effort at all. बाल नहीं कंघी करे, कुछ भी नहीं करे, ना मेकअप, नो नथिंग. आई लुक लाइक पता नहीं यार, मतलब मैं बोल नहीं सकती मैं कैसी लग रही थी, बट मैं बहुत गंदी लग रही थी उसमें. ठीक है, जो मेरी इंग्लिश निकलती थी भाई उन वीडियोस में, आई एम लाइक is this the same person? Because I literally have to exactly, I literally have to re-record so many times, and in those previous videos I'm just like and I'm like that's me. तो म्यूजिक के लिए ना वो ट्रेंड्स होते थे, like transitions, and कभी फोन इधर से उधर जा रहा है and all of that. So I would really just give my all, like जो crazy transitions भी होते थे ना, I would be like ट्यूटोरियल निकालो, मैं सीखूंगी. एंड आई वुड जस्ट डू इट. लाइक मैं पूरा टाइम अपना म्यूजिकली पे निकालती थी. मेरे पास कोई काम काज ही नहीं था भाई, म्यूजिकली ही था. आज मैं सोने से पहले आई वाज लाइक कि चलो आई जस्ट क्लियर सम स्टोरेज, एंड आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू माय फोन, एंड गूगल फोटोज मैंने बहुत सालों बाद खोला. सो व्हेन आई ओपन इट आई सॉ ऑल ऑफ दिस वीडियोज एंड आई जस्ट लाइक स्टार्टेड क्राइंग बिकॉज let's get into it after some time. Okay, so when I was a kid, I also started this Instagram account, where I would post my photography and stuff like that. And from scratch, I gained 1,000 followers there, and I didn't tell anyone to follow it because my mom didn't allow me to be on social media. So it was just like, yeah, Chamma, I won't put myself out there, but just let me, put my photographs that I click, or like my art, like. And she was fine with it. She was like, "Ha, till the time you're not showing your face, it's fine. Just like post your art and all, and I'll handle it." And I was like, "Okay." So I would spend um hours and hours finding tutorials on YouTube, that how to gain followers on Insta, how to do this, how to do that. And I would, interact with other people online, and I would, use all the hashtags and just do everything by the YouTube video. कि अच्छा इसमें ये बोला है, इस time post करना है. I just did everything, and that account was so pretty, and it had all my photographs there. And अब तो मैंने नाम भी change कर दिया account का. It no longer exists, but the art is still there. It's archived and all, but it's there. I stopped that account when I started my personal account, because when I started my personal account, I would be like कि नहीं यार चल कोई ना, अब photography इतनी भी नहीं हो रही है, and it's fine. वो तो मैंने बचपन में account start करा था, it doesn't matter and all of that. And उसके बाद मैंने कभी कुछ post ही नहीं करा, because मेरे पास हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई to take my camera and click something else. Because when I made my personal account, I started seeing other people post online, and I was like, ब्रो उनका काम कितना अच्छा है, मेरा काम इसमें से क्यों दिखेगा, लाइक मेरी फोटोग्राफी किसी को क्यों देखनी है. देयर आर पीपल डूइंग अमेजिंग जॉब, एंड आई जस्ट लॉस्ट माय अकाउंट इन दैट ऑफ. So I lost my account in that thing which I did. And then I never posted again. I was off social media. I never made musicalies again. पता नहीं Down Smash जो भी था, I never made anything ever again. I used to make short films, and I used to post them on YouTube. But then I made a short film of my sister. She grew up and she was like, Remati, I'm looking so bad. Can you just remove it? My friends are gonna watch it. And I would be like, fine, I'll remove whatever. तो मैंने शॉर्ट फिल्म्स भी निकाल दी सारी, इंस्टा भी पेज डिलीट कर दिया, अपने कैमरा को खोला ही नहीं वापस. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दोस फोटोज इन गूगल फोटोज, देयर वाज अ पिक्चर ऑफ मी विद द कैमरा, एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि उस टाइम व्हेन आई हैड द कैमरा, आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक आई हैड माय एंटायर वर्ल्ड टू माई सेल्फ, बिकॉज इट वाज द फर्स्ट गिफ्ट व्हिच माय dad gave me. It was like, it was so expensive, and I would be like कि पापा आप लेके दोगे नहीं दोगे, I don't know. And he just got it for me because he saw how passionate I was for it. And then when he asks me कि how are you doing with your photography, you used to be so good at it, and I just have no answer, and I'm like, anyway. So this was my journey as a kid. This was how I was as a kid. I used to make imperfect videos. I used to make such shit videos with the bad background lighting. तो भाई पूछो मत, थी भी नहीं लाइट उसमें. And पता नहीं मतलब क्या वीडियोस थी, मतलब मैं दिखा भी नहीं सकती वीडियो अभी. इट्स दैट bad. I mean, I feel कि when I made those videos, I made them बहुत उससे कि नहीं ये तो best video है. But obviously when you grow as a person, then you see yourself back then, you're like कि, okay, this was not it, and this is what I am gonna think after 5-10 years of making this video, which I'm making right now. So the point of the video is I am done chasing perfection, because when I was a child, I was imperfect. I never thought of anything else. I would treat content as ki chalo banao and dal do and just forget about it. Like the short films I made, I posted, I forgot about it. Musicals I made, posted, forgot about it. And now when I make something, I'm like that, oh, if I post on my feed, people are gonna see me. I'm gonna lose my 2000 followers which I have. Oh, if I posted on trial, जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स की म्यूचुअल्स हैं उनके पास तो पहुंच ही जाएगी, तो वो मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भेज. It is really bad. Like, so then I see people on Instagram having so many followers, just creating, एक फोटो डाल दिया और उसके अंदर बहुत ही कुछ कैप्शन जो कि बहुत चल गया, एंड देन सडनली गेट फॉलोअर्स. एंड आई एम लाइक कि भाई मुझसे नहीं होता यार ये, मतलब ना ही मैं वो मेकअप ट्रांजेक्शन बना सकती हूँ, ठीक है, ना ही मैं वो कैप्शन, मुझे तो कैप्शन लिखते हुए ही लगता है कि ये मैं क्या डाल रही हूँ यार, मतलब I don't know. I always wanted to make content to connect with people. I find social media a very good platform to, connect. So I always wanted to make talking content, like yapping content. And when I shifted to Mumbai, I got this confidence to kind of, make my videos and just make talking videos and all of that. And I got a lot of brand deals from it as well. And it was going perfect until this one night I started posting trial reels again after my trial reels got really viral. Like I got like 1 to 5 million views on like 2 3 of my trial reels, and I was like भाई ये तो भाई बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, मतलब it's just so good, this feature is so nice. But then suddenly the views dropped, and I don't know, like भाई imagine करो कि तुम एक reel डाल रहे हो and उसमें भी if even if you have like 100 to 200 views में अगर कोई एक भी hate comment है ना, वो ऐसा लगता है कि oh shit, like why is he targeting me. बिकॉज मेरे साथ ही होता है, मैं ट्रायल डालती हूँ भाई, कोई फेक अकाउंट से कोई कुछ बोलते ना, आई एम लाइक इसने तो बोल दिया कि मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ, मतलब मैं जेन्युइनली ठीक नहीं हूँ, मुझे कोई किसी ने कोई अच्छा कमेंट तो करा नहीं है, घटिया कमेंट जरूर कर. आई वुड जस्ट फील सो डिफीटेड दैट ब्रो, व्हाट इज इट, लाइक एम आई नॉट टॉकिंग सेंस. आई ऑब्वियसली नो दैट आई डोंट टॉक सेंस, so don't come at me for that. Why is there so much hate online? But then obviously I started, telling myself that hate comments is no longer a reason for me to not post, because hey, engagement, that's out of my head. Yeah, the reason I made this video is to remind, I mean, if you guys are interested, then of course you do, but myself, that you don't have to be perfect to make your stupid videos. Like I made 10 to 15 seconds of musically, and the transition reels bhai jaisi bhi thi, it took a lot of time, and I did it because I enjoyed it. I obviously wasn't a celebrity at the age of 10, but like, I would speak like I'm a celebrity, I would shoot my videos like I'm a celebrity. एक मेरी वीडियो है जिसमें मैं बोल रही हूँ guys please vote for this person on Colors TV, and I'm doing this, and I'm like, I was already a celebrity in my head. The mentality of a 10-year-old me was like so much different, and she just wouldn't care कि वीडियो अच्छी है नहीं है, पीछे पंखा चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, ये गंदा बैकग्राउंड. No, it's like कैमरा मेरे सामने होना चाहिए, मेरा फेस अच्छे से दिखना चाहिए, and I'm ready to talk in front of the camera. It's 3 a.m. right now. I was like, नहीं मैंने बाल ठीक करे अपने, ठीक है, I'm not wearing any makeup right now, and I'm literally in my night suit. But I was like कि ये जो मेरे दिमाग में अभी idea आ रहा है ना to create this video, I really want to do it because this is what my younger self will do. कि idea आया, कैमरा निकालो, iPad निकालो, चलो बनाओ वीडियो. So I just want to remind myself that it's amazing to be imperfect, it's amazing to be spontaneous, it's amazing to be like मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है तुम जो मर्जी बोल लो, मेरा अकाउंट है at the end of the day. It's my name on Instagram, Rem Sandhu. It's me. It's Rem Sandhu on YouTube. It's my account. Why do I care what people say? मैनू की फर्क पैंदा है. I really hope I stick to this now and I start creating content and just start posting myself out there, even though no one's watching. I will watch myself after like 5-10 years. So that is what I'm proud of. That is what I want to do, because I think watching those videos of me, like musicallys and all of that, from like I think 15 years ago, it just completely changed the way I look at content making now. I don't want perfect content. I just want to be real. I just want to put my thoughts out there, and I just want to make my younger self so proud that, bro, you liked making videos back then, you're still doing it because you like it right now. You love it right now. Views don't matter, because see, content creation is not always about views, or it's not always about likes or reshare. I think since I was a child, I always believed in creating and just like putting it out there. Like just create and just put it out there. Even if one person is seeing your content, or even if no one is seeing your content, you're gonna always, have those moments where you grow in life, and then you come back to your account, you come back to your storage to, kind of like delete some videos, and then you're like, acha ye video kaun si thi yaar, ye 10 saal purani, and you just click, and then you hear yourself, and you're like, okay, this was me. Like then you see the growth and the shift, and this is what I'm seeing right now. Like on Musically, I had like 300 followers. Like, do my followers matter right now? No. I mean, I am just so grateful for the videos I made back then when I was a child with my iPad. It just made me gather the courage to speak my thoughts out right now at 3 a.m., looking imperfect with an imperfect background, and just being me. So I think this is what I wanted to share. And even if one person can take something from it, amazing. If no one is taking anything from it, I'm taking something from it. And I think at the end of the day, you should matter a lot to yourself. And this is what I am learning. This is what everyone should learn. We should like stop judging and start accepting us and others the way they are at the time they're not bothering us, right? Even if they are, just stay away from them. But like still, I just feel so much better, and I'm so happy that I did this. And my younger self would be amazed that I made a video at 3 a.m. imperfect video with a bad background. So yeah.